Welcome to Linux for you. You are watching troubleshooting video today. So this is based on the LVM. If you are sitting RHCSA exam or you want to make a project and you feel that the LVM volume is out of space. So how to solve this problem? So let's create the LVM lab first and then troubleshoot. So going to the lab, and before that, if you want to support our channel, please donate any small amount to this QR code or the given number. Right, so it will help us to create such kind of the video that are helping students. So let's go to the lab. Suppose I added the hard disk of 3 GB already in this Red Hat 10. So how you can see that? LSBL. So here you can see the hard disk is added SDA and the size of this hard disk is 3 GB. First we will do the LVM lab. Now we will create the physical volume first. So sudo pv create dev SDA, right? So I am taking the whole hard disk. I am not creating the partition. Now we will create the logical volume, but before that we have to create the volume group. So volume group, how to create? VG create, and the name is VG data. So this way the volume group is created. After that we have to create the logical volume. So see how we are creating. Command lv create. We'll specify the length that is 1 GB, and the name of this volume will be lv data, and my volume group is VG data. So LVS is created. So simple, in this few seconds you have created the three things: physical volume group and logical volume you have created. So see, sudo EVS, this is your physical volume. Now sudo VGS, it is your volume group, that's the size of 3 GB, right? And 2 GB is free because 1 GB is given to the LVM, LV data, right? And after that, LVS, your logical volume. So your LV data is 1 GB, right? So this way we have created the LV. So we will format the LVM now. So sudo mkfs file system we will take, and your device name is VG data LV data. So the volume is formatted. We will create a directory to mount. Sudo mkdir data, and we will mount this volume, right? So how you can mount? If you want manually, it is very easy. Sudo mount dev VG data plus LV data to the data directory. This way we have mounted the volume. If you want to verify, you can verify sudo grep sudo mount and grep and data. So here you can see your logical volume is mounted on data directory, and the file system is XFS, and it is read write. So it is mounted clearly. Or you can see here df-h. So you can see your logical volume is mounted where? In the data directory, and the use is 5%, and the available space is 922 MB, right? So this way my logical volume is working fine and have the space of 920 MB free, right? Everything is working fine. Now we will create the problem intentionally, right? By the help of allocate command, we will create a big file so that the data directory, the LVM mounting data directory will be running out of space. So we will create a big file inside the data directory. Now we will see that how much space is left, right? So the command is df-h. So here you can see the huge percentage of your LV data directory data is 100% used. So this is the problem we will have created by creating the large file in the data directory. So 100% used, right? So space is not left. 100% use is there. So how you will solve this problem? Let's see how we will solve this problem so that my space will be increased, right? So let's see it. So inside data directory, 100% use is there. LV data is full. Your logical volume is full. So how you will solve this problem? So we will increase the space. So my LVM volume is right now. See once again, the size is 1 GB. So we will increase the size of this logical volume, LV data. First we will check that what is the volume group. How much volume group have the space? Sudo VGS. So here you can see VGS, your volume group having 2 GB space. So we will increase by 1 GB to the LV data. So we will add more 1 GB to the LVM volume. So see how we will extend the LVM volume so that it will have some space. By running the LV extend command, we are trying to increase the space of LV data by 1 GB more, and -R is for basically increasing the file system, right? So now it is increased. Let's verify it. Sudo LVS. So here you can see the LV data is increased by 2 GB, right? And now confirm it by file system increase also. So here you can see LV data is increased. So use is not 100%, it is 49%. Now the problem is solved. So this way you have seen that how the logical volume is extended, right? So if you are liking this video, subscribe the channel and like my video. And if you want to support my channel, please donate to this QR code to any small amount, right, or the given number. Thank you for watching this video.